Good morning and welcome to your Wallops weather briefing. Well, we've got an increase of cloudiness currently throughout the region this morning, and we're going to continue to see mostly cloudy skies as we go through the day today. Looking at yesterday's conditions across the region, you can see temperatures making it into the 60s for many locations, but that was early in the morning as we saw temperatures falling throughout the day. Wallops reached a daytime high of 64 degrees early in the period, right around 7 o'clock in the morning, but temperatures fell into the 40s as we went into the afternoon hours. Looking at the overnight low temperatures falling into the low to mid 30s for many locations. We did see a couple of exceptions to that. One of those was Dover, making it all the way down to 26 degrees. Baltimore reaching an overnight low of 29 degrees. We had an overnight low of 34 here at Wallops. Everybody receiving some rain yesterday. Over the past 24 hours, you can see some light to moderate amounts throughout the region. Salisbury coming in with just a little bit under 4/10 of an inch of rain. We were just a little over 1/4 of an inch of rain here at Wallops, coming in with 0.26 of an inch. As of 9 a.m., temperatures generally running in the 30s throughout the region, 36 degrees under mostly cloudy skies here at Wallops. Taking a look at our sounding information from this morning's balloon release, the freezing level was at 900 feet, and our winds out of a northeasterly direction at the low levels of the atmosphere, coming more westerly in direction once we get up to around 5,000 feet. And we keep that westerly component all the way up to 25,000 feet, where we see a west wind at around 60 knots. Taking a look at radar this morning, you can see a little bit of shower activity off to our south and west this morning. These light rain showers continuing to move across the southern portions of the state of Virginia. It does look like most of that activity is going to stay to our south. Can't rule out a light sprinkle or two later this afternoon, but I do not think we're going to see much in the way of precipitation here today as those showers pass mostly to our south and out to sea as we go into the afternoon. Taking a look at the satellite this morning, you can see those clouds associated with that area of precipitation just off to our south, off to the north. A much clearer scenario where you see mostly sunny skies this morning, but we are right on the edge of those clouds, basically seeing that northern edge going in through Pocomoke, Princess Anne area, north of that region, seeing mostly sunny conditions this morning, but we are going to continue to see those clouds sweep in from the west over the course of today and into the evening hours as well. So not much in the way of sunshine expected today. Looking at our current surface analysis, just that weak area of low pressure moving through with that weak impulse, we could see those showers continuing across portions of southern Virginia. Could see a little bit better chance across Northampton County of seeing a shower or two later this afternoon. High pressure ridging in from the north, and we're going to continue to see that similar setup as we go through the day today. Looking at a forecast model and what we can expect over the next couple of days, later this evening, could see a few light sprinkles enter the Wallops region during the overnight period. Not a very high chance at all, looking only about a 10% chance of getting a late rain shower or two into the area late this evening into the overnight hours. And then as we go into Wednesday, we're going to see mostly cloudy conditions occurring during the day on Wednesday, and then just a slight chance of a shower or two Wednesday evening as a weak piece of energy moves off to our north. And then as we go into Thursday, we're going to see a frontal boundary begin to drop a little closer to the region, but we are going to be in the warm sector. So Thursday we'll see those southwesterly winds ahead of that frontal boundary, bringing in some pretty warm air for us on Thursday and Friday with those southwesterly winds, likely seeing high temperatures in the 60s for both days before that frontal boundary brings in some colder air for Saturday. Taking a look at our next 24 hours, you can see temperatures expected to get into the low 40s today under mostly cloudy skies. It does look like we'll remain dry throughout most of the day with just a slight chance of a late rain shower or two, mainly off to our south. And then as we go into the evening hours, we'll see just a slight chance of a rain shower or two during the overnight period. Right around midnight, could see a sprinkle or two, but only about a 10% chance of that late rain shower occurring, with overnight low temperatures falling to around 35 degrees. Our winds will be slightly breezy as we go through the day today, out of the northeast at 6 to 12 knots, possibly gusting up as high as 18 knots at times as we go into the morning and afternoon hours today, and then we'll see those winds dying off this evening out of the north at 2 to 5 knots by midnight tonight. Looking at our terminal forecast, you can see plenty of clouds out there today. Currently a broken deck of clouds right around 16,000 feet. We also see some cirrus cloudiness right around 25,000 feet. We'll continue with those mostly cloudy conditions, but we'll see VFR conditions continuing through the day today, as those ceilings are not expected to really drop a whole lot. Could see some lower ceilings later this evening after midnight in association with some of those showers, and continuing to see ceilings right around 2,000 to 3,000 feet during the overnight period. So we go into the forecast for Wednesday and Thursday, expecting mostly cloudy conditions. Once again on Wednesday, should see a warmer day though, as temperatures will warm to around 54 degrees for a daytime high. And then again, we enter that chance for some light rain shower activity late Wednesday night into early Thursday morning. Could see some rain showers across the area, but it does look like Thursday is shaping up to be a very nice, mild day for us, with a high temperature of 67 degrees expected for the daytime high. So looking at the next 7 days, nothing real significant as far as precipitation goes through the midweek. But as we get into the later portion of the week, that'll be when things get a little bit more interesting as far as precipitation chances. Looking at the slight chance of some rain shower activity Wednesday night and the Thursday morning, then a better chance as we go into the day on Friday, as that frontal boundary begins to drop over the Wallops region. Looking for a high of 66 during the day on Friday, but then temperatures will cool pretty quickly as we go into Saturday, with overnight lows dropping into the low to mid 30s for Friday night and the Saturday morning. Then a chance of some showers holding on during the day on Saturday, as we'll see another area of low pressure moving along that frontal boundary that will be dropping over the area during the day on Saturday. It's a little question as far as what our daytime temperatures will be on Saturday. Some of the models are bringing in some colder air than others, but right now it looks like we'll max out right around 42 degrees for daytime high on Saturday, with precipitation staying in the liquid form. And then we'll look for a little break in the action as we go into Sunday, with that area of low pressure moving off the coast, seeing some sunshine during the day on Sunday, and then possibly some warmer temperatures by the beginning of next week, with a daytime high of 54 degrees expected on Monday. That'll wrap it up for today's weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. Have a nice day.